Hey, I'm Liz, and I'm going to transform this room to make it more suitable for an older child, simply by using paint. Let's go! The first thing I'm going to do is take down all the old styling, as these have been on the wall for a while and were perfect for the kinder years, but as we move through primary school, it's just time to grow this room up a little, so it's a bit more mature and will hopefully take us through to the end of primary school. I'm going to remove my doors and drawers because I'm going to paint them in a separate space later. Next, I'm mixing up my paint and giving it a good stir to ensure the colour is evenly mixed through. Working your way back and forth across the ceiling in even strokes, you can really see this colour coming to life. It's called Beam Counter, and what I love about it is its warm undertones. I'm actually going to be doing a process called colour drenching in this space. It involves a complete and immersive explosion of a single hue across all surfaces within a room. This basically means I'll be painting everything in the room from walls to ceiling, skirting boards, window trims and architraves, all in the same colour. Many designers opt to play around with the paint's finish, mixing in both gloss and matte across a variety of textures such as timber or plaster. With the ceiling and walls done, you can see how impactful this technique is. It is important though to choose a colour that you can live with in large doses. Whilst the windowsills are still drying, I'm going to use this semi-gloss paint to do the cupboards and drawers. I also want to incorporate this little desk into this new room so there's a comfortable place to do homework. We've had this old desk for a while and it can now be repurposed for the space. I'm going to sand it back, add a touch of paint so it ties in with the whole room. When painting drawers, cupboards or anything with handles, you have two options. You can cover them up in painter's tape and paint around them, or take them off entirely and put them back on when the paint is dry. I love how this is all coming together. This will make the perfect little homework spot as we move through primary school, or even as a craft station where we can store items and tuck them away. You can colour drench in many spaces. This technique makes a room look modern, clean and well thought out by boldly embracing colour. So we are now ready to add some finishing touches to the room. I'm going to tackle this back wall with these basketballs to make a feature out of it. To start my feature wall, I'm using cut-out bits of paper which represent the rough size and dimension of the basketballs. Using a bit of painter's tape, I'm playing around with the spacing, stepping back each time to get some perspective. Once I'm happy with the layout, I'm marking the wall with a pencil. This will tell me where to put my brackets. Now I'm just bringing in a few other styling items and then it'll be time for the big reveal. And there you have it. This was quick, easy and affordable to do and really showcases the power of paint to make over a space. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.